And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
Those wildflowers may have started to try to grow yesterday when it was so warm, and then they went back in the ground today, and they were like, oh, we're good. We'll come back when it warms up again, because we went from near 70 yesterday to a struggle to get to 30s today. Many locations did get there, but Pawtucket, you stuck at 29 degrees, so a lot colder today. And what we've done is we've taken that colder air mass, put it in place, and then now we track our next storm system. So when you have temperatures that are in the 20s to near 30 degrees, it's cold outside and cold enough to support snow at first with this storm. So what to expect? Heavy snow impact for that morning commute. I put it as a high impact, and that's because snow will come down for all locations. The forecast has stayed so consistent with this that coastal locations all the way to like northern Rhode Island and northern Bristol County in southeastern Mass will start off as snow. Heavy burst. It accumulates, makes things slick and slippery. Then we change it over to sleet and rain from south to north. In fact, tomorrow is what I call, could be a very long duration sleet fest, where we have snow and then we just have sleet. It just keeps pinging off things for like hours and hours, and then changes to a little rain at the coast. And then I put still slick for the PM commute. Why? Well, everything's wet. We've had some snow, we've had some sleet, we've had some rain, and then you're gonna drop the temperatures. So what happens is once it gets dark, game on for ice tomorrow night. Temperatures are going to drop quick. So satellite and radar, here comes the precipitation. And it literally is a hodgepodge of everything. You got a lot of pretty colors here, but they're not pretty for driving. So white, pink, and green, and it's a combination of snow, sleet, some freezing rain probably. We're more sleet here though. And then rain, and that's all coming into our area. So obviously weather alerts have been posted, winter storm warnings and weather advisories. Doesn't matter if you're purple or pink. You'll probably have a little more snow accumulation in the pink, but we're all gonna have adverse driving conditions in the morning tomorrow, and that will carry on into the afternoon and evening. So Futurecast, track the precipitation off to our west. By the time we get to 4 a.m., just about everybody has snow coming down. Your burst of snow features 1 inch per 8 hours, 1 inch rate per hour as we go to the 4, 5, and 6 o'clock hours. And that snow will come down and cling to the roads quickly and make it very slick for the morning commute. By about 7, 8 o'clock, the rain snow line starts to lift north. You start to see that pink shading. That's that area of sleet, and that will swing way north as we go into the 8, 9, 10 o'clock hour. While roads are still pretty slick at the coast, but maybe more wet now at this point, areas inland have that combination of snow and sleet falling for much of the morning up until 10 o'clock. You know it's going to be slick right into the afternoon, even though that rain snow line will continue to lift north. Precipitation may kind of pause a bit around 2 or 3 o'clock, but then back edge snow will swing through here. It's very light, doesn't accumulate. The focus at that point is these cold temperatures. Going to Friday night into Saturday morning, well, many locations dip back into the teens. And besides some ocean effect snow that will clip Cape Cod, we're done with the precipitation, but salt and sand trucks likely out Friday night, making sure that things don't ice up, especially bridges and overpasses. How much snow? Haven't changed the graphic, still 2 to 4, darker blue 4 to 8. Don't focus so much on the snow totals. I know it gets your attention, but it's all about the combination of multiple precipitation types and coming in for the morning commute. Cold for the weekend, very cold on Monday, and then some moderating temperatures next week, at least until Wednesday, when temperatures get back to the low 40s for your daytime highs. Nick.
Thank you, Jeff.